Hi, this is Robert Greer for Sprint1 for CSC 588. This is what my audio demo looks like in main. I encapsulated some of the functionality of the Microsoft code in this audio engine class, and then I have an audio engine sound to demo my sound. So the helper functions here are all just that code that's been a little bit refactored. So for example, initializing the COM object, the xaudio2, and the mastering voice. And then I have a bunch of helper functions for interacting with files. So finding chunks and reading the chunk data. I've just been commented and reworked a bit. And then I have other stuff like, for example, checking if it's a WAV file, creating the structs I need from that file. So for example, this WFX struct I can create there. Creating the data buffer for a sound, and then creating the source voice itself. So all of these helper functions are used in this example sound class I created just as a first pass. So the sound, it contains the sound source pointer as well as the buffer of the data, and it'll clean up its buffer by default when it leaves scope. The main thing that it does is it sets the source sound from a file. So it'll do all the things from the audio engine, like get the file, check if it's a WAV, create the memory buffer for that from the file, and then create the sound itself with all those tools. So it looks pretty simple there. And then it just has some call through functions to start and stop. You can await, which will just spin in a loop until it's done playing, which just checks the state to see if there's any buffers queued, and then you can set the volume as well. So this is used in the demo where I create the engine, I set the master volume, I create two sounds from my files, which just live in the workspace here, just files there, and then I can set their volume individually and then play them. So this demo will start the sound, wait for it to finish, and then stop, and then do the next one. So when I start playing, it'll be the left-right guy, and then it'll play a song, and then it'll be done. So I'll run it.
This is my voice on the left. This is my voice on the left-hand side. This is my voice on the left. This is my voice on the right. This is my voice on the right-hand side. This is my voice on the right. This is my voice in the center. This is my voice coming from both left and right. This is my voice in the center. My voice will be out of phase on 3. 1, 2.
Okay, so the song ends, and then it exits cleanly. And that's it for my demo. Thank you.